Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Geoffrey J Zimba. So today with me we are just going to talk about the power function. So we're going to talk about the power function, and we're also going to talk about the sqrt function, which is the square root function. So this is the power function and this is the square root function. Alright, so these functions are actually mathematical expressions. They are mathematical expressions. They're just functions that help us make mathematical calculations very simple. So we can use these functions whenever we have complex mathematical expressions that we need to put in C++. Alright, so for us to use these functions, we need to include cmath header. So that's a cmath. For us to use these functions, you need this header. Then I'll just explain how these functions work. So for me to explain that, I'll just use int x is equals to 25. Okay, so I'll start first by using the power function. So the power function will just accept two arguments. So just concentrate here. So the power function will accept the two arguments. So it will accept the base. The first argument is the base and the second argument is the exponent. Okay, so the power function will help you find the power, the answer of the base raised to a certain power. Yes, the base raised to a certain power. So a number raised to a certain power. So let's try to say we want to find the 25 raised to the power 2. Okay, so we're just going to see out. So that's going to be power, that's the keyword. Then we're going to say 25. So we're just going to say x raised to the power 2. So 25 raised to the power 2, that's 25 times 25. Okay, so 625 was our answer. So you can use a calculator to verify that. So that's 25 times 25, giving you 625. Let's try to raise it to the power 1. Definitely we're going to get 25. So anything raised to the power 1 is 25. Okay, now let's try to use the instead of you putting variables in here, you can still put a number like that. So 2 raised to the power 1, that's 1, and 2 raised to the power 3, that's going to be 8. Okay, so that's how it works. So now let's try to use the power function, the square root function. So the square root function, you have to say sqrt, then open parenthesis. So inside the parentheses, you're only going to have one argument. So that argument, it's just going to return the square root of a number. It's just going to return the square root of a number. So 25. So x, we're trying to find the square root of x, which is 25. So the square root of 25, what is it again? That's 5. Okay, so that's the 5 that we have there. So 25, the square root of 25 is 5. Or you can still put a number in here, that's the square root of 25. It will still give you 5. Alright guys, you have it, it's giving you 5. Okay, so these are the two functions that we wanted to do in this video. So make sure before you use these functions, include the cmath header file. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video. It has been your boy Geoffrey J Zimba. Please watch out for more videos, like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's bye bye.